So an example would be, express the following in the form 2 to the power of n, 3 to the power of n, or 5 to the power of n, or 7 to the power of n. So as an example, okay, I'd go to question, question 68. 68, and all I'm going to do with 68 is I'm going to go in here and I'm going to press 49 equals, then I'm going to press shift, factorize. The answer is 7 squared. So, okay, I'm going to go to number 70, and I'm going to go, okay, 125, shift, factorize, 5 cubed. No bother either. Now, I'm going to go to 72, and all of a sudden at 72 I realise, shift, doesn't work anymore. So, you have to use your memory now. Anytime you see a square root sign, it's the same thing as a power of a half. So, what we're going to get is 3 to the power of a half. Is that right? What about, now, this is another interesting one. Question 75. Yes? Yes. 3 to the power of a half. Not 3 and a half. It means 3 to the power of a half. 3 to the power of a half means square root of 3. Yes. Another thing, guys, if you look at an answer like this, see this 2 root 2? Yeah? Now, 2 root 2. You know that the 2 on the outside is 2 to the power of 1, don't you? What do you know about the 2 to the power of a half? So what do you know about root 2? Spoilers, okay? 2 to the power of a half. And then, what you do when you have them like that and you're multiplying them by each other? You add them together, and you get 1 plus a half. I think Liam was saying it's 3 over 2. Yeah. So, 2 to the power of 3 over 2. Now, 2 to the power of 3 over 2. Okay, let's try number 78 as another example. Now, 78, guys, what we're going to do, we're going to work this a bit differently than I usually used to, okay? What we're going to do is, do you see the 9 over root 3, yeah? Just put that into the calculator and let me know what it comes out as. It comes out as 3 root 3. 3 root 3. And what is 3 root 3? It's 3 to the power of 1 by 3 to the power of a half, which is, good man. These are easy enough thus far, aren't they? Yeah. Now, 81, guys, is a tricky one. Okay, ready? 81 is a tricky one. So, what happens with 81 is, 81 is 1 over root 7. Okay? And remember what we had another rule earlier, like the other day, where if I said 1 over x squared is the same thing as x minus 2. 1 over 5 to the power of 3. Anybody? 5 to the power of minus 3. Therefore, 1 over root 7 is the same thing as 1 over 7 to the power of a half, which, using this rule in the corner, is the same thing as 7 to the power of minus a half. Yeah, go for it. Okay, so what we get next is 83, guys, okay? Now, 83 looks really difficult. I used to teach this a bit more difficult than it needed to be taught. So let's try it this way. Put that into your calculator. 4 divided by root 2, and then press the square button. And you get 8. So this whole thing is the same thing as 8. Then get 8, shift, factorize, and the answer is 2 to the power of 3. Everybody cool with that? No, shift, fact. I'm basically saying that 8. 8 is made up of 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. And look guys, look, question 88, one of the most difficult ones there, okay? What you might say here is this. You look it up and you go, okay, it's root 3. Press the right button, divided by 9. And then bring it over, square it. 1 over. Now, 1 over 27 is an interesting one, because 1 over 27 can't be broken down using the factorize button. So you press shift fact and it goes, math error. So you're stuck on 1 over 27. Everybody agree with that? Now what happens if we put 27 in on its own? 27 shift fact. 27 is the same thing as, okay, you're nearly there, Cameron, go for it. 3 to the power of minus 3. Okay, so